Greetings everyone. Today in this video I'm going to talk all about amazing Sonar platform. Sonar aims to be a cryptocurrency tracking platform that will provide all the relevant data and crucial tools users need to DIY over under one innovative platform. Users do not need to navigate to multiple platforms or contract or Reddit and countless social channels to get information related to the cryptocurrency they want to buy. Only with Sonar, users can get the information they need to be able to make good decisions for their investments. Now, talk about some of their unique features which makes them apart from other platforms. Easy interface. Sonar allows users to easily access crypto tracking platforms. Even those who are new to crypto market can easily navigate. Notification for early investments. Sonar allows investors to get early notifications for the opportunity to invest in the earliest crypto projects. And social media analysis. Sonar allows users to easily analyze various social media of cryptocurrencies from one platform. And they also provide contract audit. Sonar allows users to access audit certificates for cryptocurrencies. This audit will contain information such as quality scores, risk detection, and etc. Then cryptocurrency price analysis. Sonar allows users to access cryptocurrency price information from major CX or DX. It also provides price charts and order book information which will be very helpful for crypto users. And finally, they provide Sonar Digital Wallet. Sonar allows users to store and transact using a digital wallet provided by Sonar. If you are a crypto user, then you are definitely familiar with CoinMarketCap and CoinSeco. These two platforms are cryptocurrency tracking platforms commonly used by crypto users to track their favorite cryptocurrencies. These platforms provide various information needed by users such as prices, charts, ATS, etc. Information like this is needed by users to be able to make good decisions for their investment. And here, Sonar is the same crypto tracking platform as CoinMarketCap and CoinSeco. But more differently, Sonar provides innovative features that are not provided on the two platforms. Even Sonar is claimed to be the fast crypto meta tracker that brings all relevant data and crucial tools for crypto users. Because as is known, crypto users need a lot of information before investing in the cryptocurrency. With this information, users can decide well the direction of their investment. And by accessing the crypto tracking platform, crypto users can get various information about cryptocurrencies more easily. Therefore, Sonar will be a better tracking platform compared to similar platforms. Users can analyze cryptocurrency using only one platform without the hassle of digging into contracts or Reddit and countless social channels. Sonar will provide the information users need. So don't be late and grab this golden opportunity. Have a nice day.